Oh, hell yeah, part 2. Hopefully the other one got saved. Fuck. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, broski. Come on, broski.
You ready?
Nope. He ain't ready yet.
I'm gonna swing. Do you put the net in there a little bit? He snagged, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you got him fucking in there.
Face first, I'm telling you, bro. Face first. Face first.
I know, I'm trying. Alright, get. Oh, it's a little bigger, huh?
Oh, hell yeah, bro!
Oh, monster.
Oh, his pole broke. I mean, his fucking thing.
The fucking net.
Oh.
Oh, it broke.
Oh,
Oh, we never got a power
like this, bro.
It's so big that his fucking net broke, bro. We gotta buy him a new net now.
Oh, dude, this fucking.
Oh, this guy's huge, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Okay, that was officially the biggest one.
That's
Oh, bro.
shit.
That shit's
Now we gotta call Harry back. Come on. Yeah, baby. Get him, boy. Get him.
Come on, make a 2-minute video.
Oh, yeah, baby. Get it out. Man, striper fishing, and look what's happening, man. Striper bait. Striper lures.
Striper lures.
Man, we want a striper, though, man. We gotta let these guys go. Captain already. Oh, dude.
That's fish.
Dude. Go.
You have to snap some.
Alright, yeah. Hell yeah. Once we get the weight and everything.
This thing can't even fucking hold that in his mouth.
His net broke, bro. Seriously. Net broke. We need a hardcore net fucking for this thing. Hey, let me see now.
Yeah, baby. That's what you call it. Get you up Solomon.
That shit's fucking good.
Come on, baby. How big is she? 20. 20 on the dot? Alright, man. Time to